Your foot found a giant ball.
I have an idea. Is it a good one? The best one. That sounds dangerous. Dangerous.
Come on! Move, ball! Just a little! Why are you so heavy?
Push it, Green! Come on! I've got this! Are you sure? Yes! It's moving! Uh-oh! Run! Catch it! It's too fast! We're in trouble!
Run! It's too fast! Catch it! We're chasing a ball! I'm trying! Blue, stop! I'm running!
You're wearing the shirt! Nice save! That was close! We did it! We're safe! Where's the ball? Wait.
Yes! We caught... Wait! Look behind us!
Hey, Bales! Why does this keep happening?
Run! It's behind us!
Faster!
Don't look back! I'm looking back! I'm looking back!
Under the cart!
Go! Go! Made it! Did we win?
Did we win?
Where's the ball? I don't see it. Did we lose it?
I think so.
Huh? Wait! Guys!
Run, run! It's catching us!
Faster! I'm already fast! It's right behind us!
Then don't look back!
Why did we start this? Bad idea! Run! It's coming! Faster! Don't stop! It's right behind us! Keep running! Oh no! Stop the ball! Together! Push! Ready? It's working! We stopped it! Let's throw it! Together! Push! Almost there! Go! We did it! Yeah! Look at our ball! It's huge! Let's play! Push it!
Did you have fun?
Subscribe! See you next time!